Day one of Snowmageddon, 7:13 in the morning, and we are starting to get sleet. And yes, I parked my car out from the carport for a reason, because I'm going to need this hood later if I get enough snow. Oh, yep, that's on there. So, this is the before. Oh, and by the way, I'm pretty warm because, yes, I'm putting my rainbow unicorn onesie to good use. Oh, yeah, it's nice and crunchy. Pink slippers sold separate. My God! Pink slippers sold separately. There we go. Come on, Tigger. What are you doing outside? Come on, let's get you in. Come on, baby. Yes, I brought in the stray cats. Well, ooh, getting rough now, huh? All right, here we go.